Hello everyone, welcome along to the blues lick of today. Today's one goes like this. So this is kind of, I would say, in B minor pentatonic. So we're going to slide from 7 to 9 on the A string, 7 on the D, 9 on the D, and then normally we play this note, 7 on the G. That's the lick. But what I'm doing here is to make it sound a bit more exciting. I'm going to bend a half step from 6 into 7, a pre-bend, let it up, and then instead of going directly to that note on the 9th fret on the D, I'm going to bend from 8 into 9. Sorry, that was the 9th fret on the D, so bit of vibrato. So instead of doing this, we have this. So you can get some interesting phrases that way by not just playing, you know, the end note, say. So you can muck about with how you get to that note. You could just go. That would sound quite good. There's a little trill there. 9 to 10 on the D. So have a think about that. Have some fun with that. That was the blues lick of today.